This is Jason with Glitch in the System. Today I am going to review the SoapUI OpenSource version 5.3.0 for the Mac. SoapUI OpenSource is a free application for you to do API testing, whether SOAP requests or REST requests, and it helps you do API automation. Overall, the program is pretty good. It lets you do a lot of things. So let me walk you through real quick. What you do is you create a project. That project creates a service. So this is your base endpoint path. That creates a resource. So you can see I've created multiple resources for the Pokemon API. Within that, you get a method. So you can do you can group your request by method. So get, set, delete, whatever method you're using. You group them out by that, and then within there you'll have your specific requests. Also, you will have your test suites. So the test suites will use the information that you got from your project, and it will generate test cases. So the test suite contains many test cases. Test cases contains test steps. So test steps are things like these. So you can add additional requests to a test step. You can add properties, which are basically variables. You can add scripts, delays. You can add data, whatever, to the test step. So for example, you might do something where you get data, you run the request, you do your assertion, and that's your test case. All right. So overall, the program, feature-wise, it is pretty solid, especially for a free application. But only problem I have, which is a major problem, is that the app is very buggy. Multiple times while using it, you can see how little information, how little data is in my project right now. This app hangs a lot, and you basically just have to either wait or you have to kill the app and start again. That's problem number one. Number two is when you do the initial install, you have to go in and you have to modify a couple different files just to get the app running, because it hangs right off the bat. That's number two. And number three, which is pretty much the game over issue, is that on the Mac version, at least, I have not tried the Windows version, but I've heard it's better. On the Mac version, the assertions, if you click here and go to plus, this list of assertions is not clickable. So I don't know if you can see this, but right now I'm clicking on this, and it doesn't work, which is a big problem, because I can't get to the rest of my assertions, types of assertions. Only one I can get to is the one that I clicked on before. So this basically makes the app completely useless. I've searched the forums and I've seen multiple people report this to SmartBear directly, that they're having this issue, but there has been either no response from SmartBear, or they have responded that they cannot reproduce the issue. So I have it documented right here, guys, that this assertions window for Mac does not work. So if you ever want to feel like fixing it, then I would love to recommend this product, but for now I advise that anybody with a Mac stay far away from this, because you're just going to waste a bunch of time getting this up and running, and then when you get your assertion, things are just not going to work. So big fat no for now. All right, thanks guys.